Hello. In this video, we'll be looking at how to find the surface area and the lateral area of a cylinder. So just a reminder of what is lateral area and what is surface area. If I took my cylinder and I opened it up, so for example, imagine a toilet paper roll, and I cut it right here along this line and I opened it up, I'd get a shape that looks like this. So as you can see, it opens up to a rectangle, and for the top we would cover it with a circle, shading the circle in red, and the bottom we would have a circle as well. So if I ask you for the lateral area, what I'm actually asking for is the area of the part which opens up. So the lateral area is this blue section, and the surface area is all of the area combined. All right, so now that we remember that, let's go ahead and think about how we would find the surface area of the cylinder. All right, so remember that if I take this figure and I open it up, I get my rectangle here. So the length of my rectangle, or the base of my rectangle, is actually the same as the length going around my circle, or my circumference. So I'll repeat that and I'll write it down. So this length here will be the same as the circumference of the circle, and this will be the height of my cylinder. So in order to find the lateral area, we have to multiply the circumference of my original circle, which is 2 pi r, by the height of the cylinder. So that is 2 pi r, that's the base of my rectangle, by height. And that will give us the lateral area. So let's go ahead and plug that in. And we have 2 pi r, the radius of my cylinder is 2, and the height, h, is 7. And when I plug that into the calculator, actually we don't have to plug it into the calculator, we just get 28 pi, and that's in centimeters squared. So that's my lateral area. That's the area going around, again, that blue section. All right. So if I ask for the surface area, however, I'm asking for a bit more. I now need to add on the area of the circle at the bottom and the area of the circle at the top. So let's go ahead and turn the page and do that question. Okay, so now we're ready to find the surface area. And just a reminder, the surface area is the lateral area, so that's that part here, which I'm shading in blue, plus the area of the bases. So the bases in this case are both circles. All right, so let's write that down. The lateral area equals the 2 pi rh, which we already discussed, that is the area of the blue section, plus our bases, which is, well, each one is a circle. The area of one circle is pi r squared, but since there are two circles, the area of our circles are 2 pi r squared. So, and that's actually the whole surface area. So let's fix that statement here. All right, so again, the surface area is the lateral area, which is the blue section, plus the base area, two base areas. All right, so let's go ahead and put some numbers in. We have 2 pi. You may recall the radius was 2 and the height was 7, plus 2 pi. Again, the radius was 2, and we square that. And when you plug that into your calculator, you should get 36 pi, or 113.097 approximately. And again, this is centimeters squared because we're dealing with area. So that's how you find the surface area of a cylinder.